Okay, continuing with the Web Dev Learning path. Task number 7 is the terminal or command prompt and NVM commands. Command line interface are languages which are text inputs that allow you to interact and perform actions on your operating systems, such as creating directories, opening applications, searching and editing text files. So some common programs are Bash, CMD, ZSH, Fish, PowerShell, and KSH. For Windows, you can locate the command prompt program by typing in CMD into the program search bar, and then you'll get this window. Your VS Code also has an inbuilt terminal, so you can access the terminal by going to View, and then from the drop-down menu, clicking on Terminal, or using the shortcut Control and Backtick. And now you can see the terminal open at the bottom. So the task is to learn the command line interface for your particular operating system. And in the future, you will most likely need to use Linux commands when performing server-related tasks. So I use CMD, the Windows default command line interface, for automating tasks in a coming tutorial to set up a project with Parcel. So an example, in the terminal, we can type in this mkdir and then the name of a directory. So this is short for make directory, and this command will create a new folder inside the current directory with the name, which I've chosen here in this example, my new folder. Your second task is NVM and Node commands. Throughout the rest of the development path, we will be using Node.js, and we may need to use different versions for later compatibility. So we will first need to install the Node version manager. Okay, so Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment, and NVM is a version manager for Node.js. So please check the link in the description for the tutorial to install NVM and Node.js. After installing NVM, you can check your Node version by using either of these two commands. Okay, some common NVM commands that you will use include NVM install latest, NVM use, and NVM current, etc. So please check these in the tutorial. Now, NPM is installed automatically with Node. So NPM is Node Package Manager, which is a registry containing many code packages, such as framework packages. So NPM is used to install packages which are used in Node.js projects. So some common NPM commands include npm-v for the version number, npm init, npm install, and npm run. NPM can also be used to create template projects, and as is shown in our lit project on using Byte, quick setup, we use the following command. So go ahead and learn the command line prompts, and if you have any useful links, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you in the challenge. Thanks for watching.